Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Jennifer likes to listen to. Correct. Very good. And number 2, do you drink lots? Yeah, that's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Do you listen to music every day? Do you listen to music every day? Music. Music. It is beautiful noises and sounds played on instruments. Now we can make a flashcard for music. Please make a card like this. Write music up here in the top left corner. MUSIC. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 109 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. This is a hard one. Remember the J sounds like a Y. Ya, ya, ya. Mu. Zic. Music. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob drinks lots of water every day. Bob drinks lots of water every day. Lots of water. This means he drinks very much water every day, not just a little. Now we can make a flashcard for to drink lots of water. And we also say Bob drinks a lot of water. We're not learning that today. We will learn this another time. Please make a card like this. To drink lots of water. Please write that up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, DA1. This means daily activity level 1. And over here the number 6 out of 30. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Drink lots of. Drink lots of. Game over. You did very well today. Do you like music? What kind of music do you like? Very good. Do you drink lots of water every day? Yes, I do. Very good. Or you can say, no, I don't. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, it's my. This means I was the one that made a mistake. F, fault. Number 2, he's a loner. Does that mean he has many friends or no friends? No friends, correct. And the teacher will mark the test. First, the students take a test. Then the teacher will mark the test. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. The whole course is rotating, so you can join anytime. And as always, please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say music in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny Vici from Canada. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.